In this video, you'll learn how to recover your phantom wallet using your seed phrase. This process allows you to restore access to your wallet without losing any data or resetting your current settings. Begin by navigating to the settings menu. Within your phantom wallet interface, you can typically find this option in the bottom navigation bar or in the profile section, depending on your device. Once you click on settings, the menu will expand to show various options related to your wallet management. Next, locate and select security and privacy from the list. This section is dedicated to managing your security settings and recovery options. After clicking security and privacy, look for the option labeled show recovery phrase and click on it to proceed. At this point, you will be prompted to enter your password for security verification. Type in your password carefully and click submit. This step is crucial as it ensures that only you can access your recovery phrase. Once you've entered your password correctly, your 12 or 24 word seed phrase will appear on the screen. This recovery phrase allows you to back up your wallet without resetting anything. It is important to keep this phrase secure and private, as it can be used to access your wallet from any device. Make sure to write it down in a safe place to prevent loss. If you wish to add or import another wallet without deleting your current one, return to the settings menu. From there, click on Manage Accounts. This section allows you to oversee your existing wallets and create new ones. Once in Manage Accounts, select Add Import Account. You will then be presented with options to either import a private key or import a recovery phrase. Choosing either option will allow you to add a new wallet while keeping your existing wallet intact. This flexibility is beneficial for managing multiple wallets easily. That wraps up today's guide on recovering your phantom wallet with a seed phrase. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.